Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Yarn Over channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern which I learned from my mom. It seems to be complicating, but it's actually easy and even for beginners. I'm gonna start with a foundation chain. The number of chain must be a multiple of 6. I have made 6 times 8 equal 48 chains. Now into the second chain from hook, make a single crochet, then yarn over, insert hook to the next one, make a double crochet, yarn over twice, insert hook to the next chain, make a treble crochet. Wrap the yarn around your hook 3 times. Insert hook to the next one. Make a double treble crochet. Yarn over 4 times. Insert hook to the next chain. Make a triple treble crochet. When making taller stitches, use your middle finger to hold the yarn on your hook like this. This way the yarn will be in place and you can move the hook easily without messing it up. The triple treble crochet height equals 5 chains, so we are going to skip the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to the 6th one. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through both the chain and the loop on your hook. We have just finished the first triangle of the pattern. To make the next one, chain 6. Then starting from the second chain from hook, make a single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, triple treble crochet. Then skip 5 stitches, slip stitch to the next one. I've put the written pattern on the top left of the screen so you can take note and follow. Repeat all the way to the end of the row. If you're doing it correctly, the last slip stitch will be worked to the first chain. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. I have made 8 multiples of 6 chains at the beginning. It takes 6 chains for a triangle, but now we only have 7 triangles because the first 6 chains have been taken for the first triangle side. Insert your hook to the standing chain next to the single crochet of the first triangle. Wrap the white yarn around your hook and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. You're gonna make a single crochet to the first stitch. I will put the tail above my hook and hide it while making stitches. Then it should be followed by a double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, triple treble crochet, respectively. So basically, we are working oppositely to the orange triangle. Single crochet to a single crochet, double crochet to a double crochet, and so on. The next 5 stitches must be skipped. You can see that there is a little stitch here, which is the slip stitch from the previous row. It would not be counted. Make a slip stitch into the standing chain of the next triangle. Repeat the set of a single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, triple treble crochet. Skip 5, slip stitch until reaching the end of the row. I have come to the end of the row. Now fasten off and cut the yarn. Next row, I will switch back to orange. Again, insert the yarn to the standing chain next to a single crochet of the first triangle of the previous row. Chain 6, single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, triple treble crochet, skip 5, and then slip stitch. Repeat until the end, then fasten off and cut the yarn. Next row, insert a new yarn to the standing chain. Make a single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, triple treble crochet, skip 5, slip stitch. The two rows are almost the same, so it's very easy to remember and it's really fun to make. The only thing I don't really like is that this pattern requires cutting the yarn at the end of every row, so there will be a little more work to do to hide the tail. I will show you how to hide the yarn tail in another video. What will you make with this pattern? Leave a comment. I think it would be great to be a cardigan. That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Hit like if you love this video and subscribe to my channel for more free crochet tutorials. If you have any questions or difficulties in crocheting, don't hesitate to drop me a message. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.